Understanding the latest features in Salesforce App Builder. Salesforce App Builder provides a powerful platform for building innovative and user-friendly apps without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Salesforce App Builder features explained. Point-and-click development. One of the standout features of Salesforce App Builder is its point-and-click development interface, allowing users to create apps intuitively without writing a single line of code. Mobile app development. Salesforce App Builder comes equipped with tools for creating mobile apps that are responsive and optimized for various devices. Automation. With automation tools built into Salesforce App Builder, developers can streamline repetitive tasks and processes within their apps. Customization. Take advantage of Salesforce App Builder's customization options to tailor your apps to specific business requirements and user preferences. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce App Builder is a versatile and user-friendly platform that empowers developers to create custom applications with ease. By leveraging the latest features and enhancements in Salesforce App Builder, businesses can accelerate their app development processes and deliver innovative solutions to their users.